Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. We are actually hours into Anambra state elections, and a lot of informations are flying here and there, insecurity here and there, but there have been assurances from security agencies in Nigeria that it will be peaceful, and they're encouraging the Anambra indigenous to come out. But as we speak, Bianca Ojukwu have decided to write a letter to her late husband. I don't know how that will suffice, but she wrote very strong words, quite very touching. But before we go to the news proper to find out exactly what is in this open letter, very touching one, I must say. If you like it, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, letter to Str0ng Ojukwu on the upcoming Anambra elections on this symbolic birthday anniversary. Odimegwu. It is with a very heavy heart that I make this communication with your noble soul, now resident in the heavenly realms, on this occasion of your birthday anniversary, and literally on the eve of the gubernatorial elections in your beloved state, Anambra. I am filled with concern and anxiety about the current state of the legacy you left us, our party, the All Progressive Grand Alliance, APGA. Abga. Today I hear the bells tolling, and the chimes send shivers down my spine. Today chaos reigns supreme in our once stable party. Our party faithful are despondent and embittered, and many of them have taken their fate in their own hands by bolting away from our party like rats deserting a sinking ship. Some years ago, a carefree former banker called Obiano, together with his locust men, hijacked our political habitat, APGA, and plundered and destroyed the house you toiled night and day to build. They brought in their strange gods and made desperate party aspirants bow before them in a macabre dance of initiation. I must say, Ikem Bandibo, you stood for justice and equity and fought relentlessly for the protection of your people, for the poor and the downtrodden. Yet these party leaders always chose to play dumb in any critical issues affecting our people. Neither did they condemn the unjust imprisonment and wanton bringing down of their own Igbo brothers. Nanye. They removed your image from our party uniform, boldly labeled you a dead man who was no longer relevant, even to the beloved party you nurtured. Who is that hero that seeks to erase your memory from this noble cause? This role of honor, this last stand for Igbo in the twinkling years of your life. Obiano, whose greatest legacies are betrayal, distrust, and ingratitude. Obiano, whose partying gift to Anambra remains the wholesale importation of toxins into our political space, in turning brother against brother, denomination against denomination, union leaders against members, communities against their stakeholders, subjects against their traditional rulers, and friends against friends in a craftily orchestrated chess game of divide and rule. Arise, Odimegwu. Arise on our behalf. May this herald reap the harvest of his habitual treachery and the first fruit of the turmoil he created as he literally sat back and watched as insecurity overran our space. May the one who seeks to erase your insignia and obscure your legacy suffer the same fate he strives to inflict on a man of honor. May he suffer the shame and humiliation he graciously dishes out to his fellows. Amuma Igwe, intercede for us. The 11th hour is upon us. We are advancing into the electoral field with untreated sores and wounds, but with our heads held high. Should we fail to make it, let it be on record that Willie Obiano brought down APGA, an unenviable feat that will surely haunt him for the rest of his life. He will go down in history as the profligate who frittered away our collective patrimony. This we shall never forget. Happy birthday, Odimegwu, our hero. may you continue to enjoy a well-merited rest in heaven's land of the brave. Yours lovingly, Bianca Odimegwu Ojukwu. Today, November 2021. This one is emotion-filled. Yes, I think his the late Ojukwu's post humorous birthday. He's dead. But on this day, always they seem to be always, the wife and some faithful seem to always, pay kudos, memorial to his image. Don't forget, when they talk about the issue of Biafra, Odimegwu Ojukwu plays a great role. In fact, there's no way you mention Biafra that Ojukwu's name will not be in the picture. And now he's calling him forth. One way or the other, in the dead or something, he should just fight for the party. That how the present governor, that's the one that's about to leave, that's Willie Obiano, has come in and brought in different dynamics of politics. Well, days are evolving, In the days of our forefathers, politics was actually truthful. Politics was for the people. You go there to serve. You are like a servant. You are chosen to serve the people, to bring smile to the people. And when you successfully make the community great, people accord you, respect you, and say you're a man of honor and integrity. Right now, in Nigeria, politics is dead to you. If you are a man of integrity and you go into politics, I can assure you, in this present dispensation, you won't go far. But did you not see the videos that's gone viral where they're giving votes, the 400 naira with one can of malt, and they tell you with one pure water, and they tell you, say you vote for us, you say yes. Look at how cheap our Igbos have reduced. I just hope that they would. My prayer is collect the pure water, collect the 400 naira, collect the malt, can malt, drink it and vote for the right person. But the question is, the caliber of people they are fielded, is there truly anyone who has the people in mind? Or they're just going there also to do their own thing? Well, it's left on the Anambra to decide. Videos have come in where they say severally there are people who are coming in to vote who are not in the Anambra. I do not know how true that is, but eventually time will tell. That is where we are going to wrap it up. A lot of people are wondering why she's actually calling the dead. What would Odimegwu Ojukwu do in the land of the dead? He's not alive. Does his spirit live on? Some say yes, some say that they believe in the miraculous, something will happen. I guess she's just using the birthday message to pass on a message to the present governor saying you've not done well at all, and if for any reason APGA does not win, you should be held responsible. Let's meet in the comment section. Do you agree with what Bianca is doing, or do you just think she's just being emotional? She should actually find a solution to this problem. Let's interact.